Presenting the Xiaomi 12 Pro 5G. It comes in color options of Noir Black, Couture Blue, and Opera Mauve. The phone has display of up to 120%, 6.73 inches WQHD plus 120Hz AMOLED display and 18 minutes. The phone also has clarity, brightness and smoothness, in-display fingerprint sensor and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. It has pro-grade triple 50MP camera array and 50MP telephoto. Large 50MP Sony IMX707 and 50MP Ultra. It has 32MP front. It has top-class cinematography experience and Dolby Vision and HDR10+ compliant. Adaptive Sync Pro and richer audio experience. It comes with up to 50 watts of wireless turbo and massive 4600 mAh battery. It is powered by flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and 4nm processor. It also features 50MP Sony IMX707 primary sensor, 1.22 megapixel size, 2.44 meters 4-in-1 super pixel and OIS, 50MP ultra-wide, 115 FOV, 50MP telephoto, 48mm equivalent focal length, 32MP in-display selfie camera. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus front, Corning Gorilla Glass 5 back, in-display fingerprint sensor and IR blaster. The delivery box contains Xiaomi 12 Pro, power adapter and USB cable. SIM eject tool, warranty card and user guide. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.